at her. She's so happy. Here she goes with the mouse thing. What are you doing? You're crazy. You're so happy. You're so happy about snow. Finally. You are so happy right now. Smells like a snowball. Go that now.
It's not yet.
She's fluffy. She keeps putting it in her mouth and then runs. Eat this now. Eat this now. There you go. You see that?
Yeah, I see it.
Eat this now. See? Eat this now. Eat this now. She's sliding. Likes the way it tastes. Luna, you think this is snow? Wait till tomorrow.
Wait till later tonight when before we go to bed. Before we go to bed, it's gonna be a hassle to getting her in.
But this may be the last snowstorm we see for a while.
Yeah.
Because we're going to California.
Now I have to edit that out.
Radical.
Oh my god.
My feet are so toasty right now.
It's good. I'm glad we wasted the money on them.
We didn't waste the money.
Well, the money could have went to food.
We spent the money.
Watch out for holes. Is it shut?
Yeah. No, we're not going out. Get out of here.
Chase her.
We're not going outside. Remember when that happened last year? Oh, hell no. No, we're not doing that again. Let's go spin in circles. No.
We're the only people out here. Hey!
No. Probably should let her do a little bit.
No, we shouldn't.
Oh yeah, no, not in our bedroom. Aw, puppy pod.
She's
Think
okay.
she'll step out in this?
You can let her try.
Not so quick anymore, are you?
She doesn't know.
Who's that?
She hasn't seen snow in a while. Just push her in.
She normally don't out there so fast anymore. She comes outside. What are you, a bull?
There's almost like an inch already.
Huh?
It's almost like an inch already out here.
I know. We should at least like shovel a path now, so we just keep. So
You let me know when you want me to. I'll go get the
well,
shovel.
grab it now. We're out here. Look at her.
I see her. I'm putting this here to kick off of.
Okay.
Ciao.